Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. The photolithography machine is the core equipment of semiconductor manufacturing and is known as the crown jewel of the chip industry. For a long time, the global high-end photolithography machine market has been monopolized by ASML of the Netherlands, and its most advanced EUV photolithography machine, extreme ultraviolet photolithography machine, has been strictly embargoed to China. However, with the rise of China's semiconductor industry, domestic equipment manufacturers, such as North Huachuang, are accelerating the process of breaking the overseas monopoly through technological breakthroughs, resource integration, and policy support. The following analyzes North Huachuang's breakthrough from three dimensions: technological breakthroughs, industrial chain integration, and policy support, combined with specific cases and data. 1. Technological breakthrough, from coating and development to full chain layout. The photolithography machine does not operate in isolation, but needs to work in coordination with coating and development equipment, etching machines, etc. North Huachuang supplemented the key link of coating and development equipment through the acquisition of Xinyuanwei in March 2025. Xinyuanwei is the only manufacturer in China that can provide front-end coating and development equipment. Its products cover 28 nanometers and above process nodes, and work with photolithography machines to complete the photoresist coating, development, and other processes of wafers. Previously, this field was long monopolized by Tokyo Electron, TEL, of Japan, and the localization rate was less than 10%. The uniformity and stability of the coating and developing equipment directly affect the etching accuracy. After the etching machine of North Huachuang, market share 30%, is combined with the coating and developing equipment of Xinyuan Micro, the process parameters can be optimized through joint research and development to improve the synergy of the entire process of semiconductor manufacturing. 7. For example, in the manufacturing of 3D NAND chips, the multilayer stacking structure requires high-precision etching and thin film deposition. The cooperation between the etching machine of North Huachuang and the equipment of Xinyuan Micro can significantly reduce the process error. Xinyuan Micro is already developing 14 nanometers process coating and developing equipment, and North Huachuang plans to accelerate the breakthrough to 7 nanometers process by integrating resources. Although there is still a gap with ASML's EUV lithography machine, supporting 5 nanometers and below processes, in the field of DUV lithography machines, deep ultraviolet lithography machines, localization has achieved a leap from 90 nanometers to 28 nanometers, and is targeting more advanced nodes. 2. Industry chain integration, mergers and acquisitions accelerate platform layout. The M&A strategy of North Huachuang is similar to that of international giants, such as ASML and Applied Materials. For example, ASML has gradually mastered the core technology of EUV lithography machines by acquiring companies such as Smic, Light Source Technology, in the United States, and Berlin Glass, Optical System, in Germany. North Huachuang has built a full industrial chain capability covering etching, thin film deposition, cleaning, coating and development by acquiring companies such as Xinyuan Micro and Acrian, cleaning equipment. North Huachuang's customers include mainstream domestic wafer fabs, such as SMIC and Yangtze Memory, and its equipment has entered the 28 nanometers logic chip and 64-layer 3D NAND production lines. The addition of Xinyuan Micro will further enhance its competitiveness in the front-end process. For example, Xinyuan Micro's coating and development equipment can work with North Huachuang's etching machine to provide customers with a one-stop solution and reduce dependence on overseas equipment. Although Xinyuan Micro's net profit declined in 2024, mainly due to increased R&D investment, its orders on hand exceeded 2.6 billion yuan, a record high. In 2024, North Huachuang's revenue increased by 39.5% and its net profit increased by 61.6%, reflecting the market's confidence in domestic equipment substitution. 3. Policy support, independent and controllable national strategy. In 2023, China's semiconductor equipment localization rate was only 35%, and the localization rate of high-end lithography machines was less than 2.5%. According to national planning, the localization rate of semiconductor equipment will be increased to 50% in 2025, and North Huachuang, as a leading enterprise, will undertake core tasks. The first and second phases of the National Big Fund both hold shares in North Huachuang and inject 5% of funds into its research and development. In addition, in the equity transfer of Xinyuan Micro, the directors' share restriction commitment was exempted to respond to the national strategy, highlighting the policy's support for industrial integration. The United States continues to increase its technological blockade against China, restricting ASML from exporting high-end lithography machines to China. The rise of North Huachuang is not only about commercial competition, but also the key to breaking the stuck-neck dilemma. Although ASML plans to build a maintenance center in China, its core components are still subject to export controls, and domestic substitution is imperative. 4. Challenges and prospects. The road ahead is long and difficult, but the future is promising. Currently, domestic lithography machines support up to 28 nanometers process, while ASML's EUV lithography machines have achieved 3 nanometers mass production. The objective lens system and light source technology, such as 13.5 nanometers extreme ultraviolet light, required for EUV, are still difficult to localize. Lithography machines involve more than 100,000 parts and require global supply chain support. For example, ASML's EUV mirrors are exclusively supplied by Zeiss of Germany, while domestic optical companies, such as Maolai Optics, cannot achieve the same accuracy. Phased replacement. Prioritize the localization of DUV lithography machines to meet the needs of mature processes. Simultaneously tackle EUV technology. Ecological co-construction. Cooperate with Huawei, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, etc. to promote breakthroughs in core technologies such as light sources and optical systems. International collaboration. Cooperate with ASML and other companies in non-sensitive fields, such as localized procurement of maintenance centers. Through technological breakthroughs, mergers and acquisitions, and national support, North China Huachuang is gradually breaking the overseas monopoly in the field of lithography machines. Although it is difficult to surpass ASML in the short term, its progress in coating, developing, etching and other links has laid a solid foundation for the domestic lithography machine ecosystem. In the future, with the synergy of the industrial chain and the iteration of technology, North Huachuang is expected to become a key force in China's semiconductor autonomy. As shown in the Xinyuan Micro merger case, M&A is not only a commercial behavior, but also the implementation of national strategy. In this technological game, every breakthrough of domestic lithography machines is paving the way for the future of China core.